As we discussed in our last video, ad campaigns don't just end once they're launched. Part of the job of a marketing analyst is to evaluate the results of those campaigns and to see if it's getting the return on investment you hoped for. Facebook Ads Manager is not the only tool that shows you the results of the campaigns you run on it. When you use Google Ads, for instance, you'll get a similar dashboard, giving you metrics in order to understand the success of your ads. Like the Facebook Ads Manager, Google Ads will give you a number of metrics to help you get insights into your campaign. While some of them are the same, some are different, but they can all add more value and insight into your advertising efforts. Let's go through what you can find on the Google Ads dashboard. When you open your Google Ads account, you get an overview of all your campaigns in your dashboard. Here you can view how many people have clicked your ad and the total impressions of that ad, or how many people have seen your ad surface on Google. You can also see the average cost per click, or how much you're paying for someone to click on your ad, and how much you've spent on your campaigns. If you want to get a more detailed view of how your campaign is doing, you can toggle Switch View to Detailed View. Under Campaigns, you can view how your campaign is performing, including more metrics like the number of impressions, the cost per conversion, and so on. You can also learn more about the demographics of who's clicking on your ads, including age breakdown, gender, income, and more, to help determine if you're hitting the right target audience or not. There's a lot more to explore in the detailed dashboard, and as you start working with these data, you'll find similar metrics you find in the Facebook Ads Manager dashboard. But one of the unique things Google Ads will show you are the results of the keywords you used associated with your ad. These are specific to Google Search Ads. When you set up your Google Search ad, you choose a set of keywords that, when someone types them into Google Search, will pull up your ad. As you look at your campaign data, Google will show you how well your keywords did. You can track the performance of each keyword like you can for ads, and Google will give data on how many clicks on your ad occurred as a result of someone searching that particular keyword. It'll also show the number of impressions for that keyword. You'll also be able to see the interaction rates for each keyword, which tells you how often people clicked on your ad, as well as the average cost or what you're paying for each interaction or click. This information can help you understand which keywords give you the best return on your ad spend. And on the basis of that information, you may decide to pause certain keywords in your campaign if you think they aren't performing as well as other keywords. Again, the question you always want to ask is my campaign worth the money I'm spending on it? By using the Google Ads dashboard, you can answer that question and determine whether your campaign is successful enough to keep going as is, or whether you need to make changes to your ad copy and launch a new campaign. The important thing is to keep using data to iterate your advertising to find what works.